In this video, I'm going to go through our calculator to estimate your potential earnings from your funded trading account using one of the scaling methods, either the organic or the rapid. How you get to this calculator is by going to traderswithedge.com, then hovering over challenges, selecting scaling plans, and then scrolling down. Down below, we have a calculator that you can use to estimate what the difference would be for you. So you can make up your own mind as to which scaling plan might suit your circumstances better. Let's say we start with an initial balance of 100,000, monthly return of, let's say it's 4%. The account threshold. The account threshold means at what point are you going to start taking profits out? So if you start with a $100,000 account and let's say at $300,000 you want to start taking out your profits and you're going to withdraw 50% of your profits once you've reached the $300,000 account, then this is what the numbers would look like. What you put in here is totally up to you. The calculator's there as a tool for you to use. It doesn't guarantee that you're going to make any amount. It's like if you go and buy a lawnmower and you never use it, you never take it out of the garage, then your lawns are not going to get mowed. This is simply a tool that you can use to make estimates for you to make a more informed decision. The organic monthly withdrawal is the amount that the trader on the organic plan would be withdrawing after 12 months. The rapid monthly withdrawal, remember they're only withdrawing 50% of their profits. They're leaving some in there to compound and for us to add extra funds to. With the rapid plan, if the trader withdraws funds, we'll withdraw our profit share as well. The organic total account size is the account size that it would reach after 12 months. So with the organic, you can see that the account size has gone from 100,000 to 156,250, while the rapid has gone to 433,671.30. The organic available to withdraw, there is nothing for them to withdraw because they have been withdrawing their profits every month. The rapid available to withdraw means the amount that's accrued in the account that can be withdrawn. And if that was to be withdrawn, the account would go back to a $100,000 account because we would have withdrawn our profit share as well. The organic withdrawn funds and the rapid withdrawn funds are both the amount to date that the trader has withdrawn of their profit share. The organic has withdrawn 58,750 as you can see, while the rapid has withdrawn 87,195. This is after 12 months. So remember, the rapid also has this balance to be able to withdraw as well. Down here, the final number shows you the difference between going on the organic or the rapid. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments below.